Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to record a voice on MacBook Pro, MacBook Air and iMac. So let's start. To record our voice, we will use a program that is by default installed on every Mac OS system, and the name of this program is QuickTime Player. To start this program, all we have to do is to move our mouse to this magnifying glass icon in the right top corner, click on it, and then in this spotlight search we need to type QuickTime. After we type QuickTime, we have to press enter, and as you can see in the left top corner, QuickTime Player was already started. So right now we need to move our mouse over File and then choose New Audio Recording. And right now, as you can see, there is a small settings window, and over here if we click on this arrow, we can choose if we have more than one microphone, from which microphone we would like to record the voice. And below over here we can set the quality to high or maximum. Once we change the settings, we can hit the record button over here. And once we hit this button, we can record any voice we want. So right now my voice is being recorded, and I hope you can hear everything perfectly. And of course, to stop the recording, all we have to do is to click on this button again. And right now, my voice was already recorded, and once I hit the play button, it will be played again. And once we hit this button, we can record any voice we want. So right now my voice is being recorded, and I hope you can hear everything perfectly. And of course, to stop the recording, all we have to do is to click on this button again. So as you could hear, my voice was already recorded, and right now we can save this file. To save this file, we need to click on the red button over here, and once we do this, we will be asked where we would like to save our file, and of course over here we can change the name, and over here we can change where we would like to save this file. I'm going to save it on the desktop, so I'm gonna hit save, and as soon as I did it, as you can see on my desktop, there is a new file called Reds on my desktop, with my voice recorded. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.